What is up, guys? It's your boy Josh. Welcome to a brand new FG Mods video. So, FG pump gears. Not known for being the best oil pump gears in the world, have been known to do the occasional shattering or two. So when Dominator Motorsports offered to send a set of billet pump gears and a backing plate, I pretty much accepted straight away. I have a friend, Callum. You remember him from the video where he and Dan at Gearhead Street Cars swapped his NA engine and gearbox for a turbo engine and gearbox, and we decided we put these nice shiny new billet gears and backing plate in his FG. Dominator Motorsports is a Melbourne-based supplier of barra parts. Oil pump gears, valve springs, engine studs. These guys can supply and manufacture a whole range of parts for the barra. They even say they have intake and exhaust manifolds on the way. I'm really interested to see how those go. So thank you to Dominator Motorsports for sponsoring this video. Check them out, let them know that FG Mods sent you. So doing oil pump gears is actually a pretty simple process. You take the rocket cover off, take the timing cover off, take the sump off, take the timing chain out, and then you've got access to the oil pump. Take that out, change the gears. It's a relatively simple process, all things considered. What we wanted to try and do was access the oil pump while the engine was still in the car. But we kind of learnt the hard way why, if you get a shop to do this work for you, you'll probably end up racking up a fairly high cost for labour. Time at least, and yep. So it was at this point that we started to run into our problems.
Just not enough.
Because I said, well done, you managed.
Sure, you got every bolt.
One more.
Yeah, I thought so.
It just like actually flex.
Not having the engine out means that we actually can't see half of the bolts that we need to undo to take the timing cover off. This is something that all of us have done multiple times before, but when you don't have the engine out of the car, it makes it a lot harder, even if you know what you're looking for.
So this side moves freely. Hold up, bro, I think I got one on the automatic on yours. You never opened the motor.
Hold it on.
There we go.
Got someone to pry from one side of
Yep, you got that one? Walk it out. It's the front, it's the bottom seal, holding it now.
Well, that bottom down's right where that is. You're literally on that bottom down.
Try to get more leverage for this.
Yeah, stuck here.
There's a bolt there. Oh, you fuck.
How many bolts do you remove?
All of them. It's actually going to be really hard to explain what the f to do, because it's going to be like, yeah, so undo these bolts. And these ones? And these ones? Shit, I don't know.
I'm just going to back around and just unbolt everything off the front.
Literally just, yeah.
There she is.
Alright, you want to grab the cover and I'll grab the lines? Nice.
Look at that. First try.
Yeah. Do you reckon we'll get enough clearance if we pull it up on the strut brace?
Yeah. If you put the sky hook and come up, because you'll never get the timing chain marks to match up.
Yeah.
So
So you meant to time one of these then when you do it?
yeah.
Spin it around until you do get it?
Once the chain's off, you actually then can reset the chain, but because it's an odd count, so it actually hunts on the chain, so you don't wear the chain unevenly.
Yeah, right.
That's the reason why they do that.
Right.
Yeah, it's literally just for chain life is the reason why they do what they do, to help you.
So the aim now is to try and lift the engine up a bit and lower the subframe a little bit to get that space to actually pull the sump off.
Yep.
Swear to God, this dump pipe is
Fucking awesome, you're right.
yeah. Been problematic since you put it in.
We can't roll that way.
Roll down.
And like all the way that way.
Or is that going to come down enough?
It needs to come down enough to actually get out anyway. Because we've got to reseal it. Yeah, the whole car's apart. Wasn't that bad?
And I'm just going to save some time here. We gave up. Engine's coming out. And with the engine out, it took 10 seconds to take the oil pump out, and now we can put our nice billet Dominator Motorsports oil pump gears and backing plate in.
Boosh.
There's the old ones. Wow.
Wowza.
How easy was that?
Very realistic.
Alright.
Oh, true, not lubricated or...
Not binding, so this is where it gets messy. Packing in a bit of, just so we get straight oil pressure from straight away. No, so literally the only reason we're doing that is so when we fire straight away, it allows the oil pump to pull a vacuum because it pushes through the petroleum grease.
Yep.
So it allows to get oil pressure straight away instead of cranking and hoping you get oil pressure or waiting.
You expect... Oh yeah. Oh, we got off.
Don't run that arm.
Got those screws, mate? Screws.
Just to be sure. Me happy on the insides.
And from here, Dan cleaned up the sealant that had previously been used and made a hell of a mess in the engine, and we put the whole thing back together.
Well, there's a hell of a lot less in there now.
There's actually a chunk in there. I should probably get rid of that.
I did it again. We got that far like it's people one, not like it's house money.
Holy shit. There's actually... Have you got the 45-degree one, mate?
Things we're learning today.
That's why your pickups are always like a dome. It pushes all this shit to the side so it doesn't completely block it. Because that was flat, it just would have blocked the entire thing.
Look at lube that is. Look, the spun's round. You get the most impact you could possibly get out, I'll tell you that.
Goes to there and there.
Yeah, that's done.
That goes to there and there.
There and bang on, up top.
There and there. There and there.
Beautiful.
Alright.
How are you supposed to tell what the tension should be?
Fully automatic and it's hydraulic.
Oh, cool.
So once the pressure
Problem
comes
solved.
out.
About
And hopefully that's enough detail on doing it, because I feel like if you've gotten it apart to that degree, you should be able to put the last bit back together.
yeah.
On top of the motor.
On the left here. Can't see down the bottom there. There we go.
Yeah, that's nailed it.
Good shit, man.
Good cat, mate.
That's good. Right, dowser in.
Look at that.
Big boys up top. Yep. Goes to that.
Better than factory.
Yeah, check out the spread on that. That's how you're supposed to do it. Just enough sealant to poke out. Not 4 acres of sealant to jump out at you.
4 acres. Bye-bye top of it again.
The crown.
Panduro that looks a bit shit now.
Good drive.
Hang on a sec. Alternator. Go back a little bit. There we go. If you come down, you can go forward. There you go.
So there it is, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Big thank you to Dominator Motorsports for sponsoring this video. Also, thank you to Dan and Corey at Gearhead Street Cars for actually providing the labor and their knowledge to do all of this. Thank you for Callum for volunteering your car, and I'll see you guys in the next video.